Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell tickets on Square. Let's get started. First, log into your Square account. After logging in, you will be directed to Square homepage. Then, on the left side of the screen, go to Items and Services section. Next, click on Items, then click Item Library. Once it loads, click Create an Item. First, you need to choose the type of item, then click Next. Click Change if you want to choose other types, but if you're okay with it, let's proceed to the next one. Type in the name and description you like. After that, you can also upload an image for your profile. Just click on Upload and choose from your computer. Next, scroll down and go to Event Details. You can change the locations. After changing it, just click Save. If you want to edit the categorization, just click Select. Next is for the options. If you want to add the options such as the size, color, or material, just click Add and put in the options that you want, then click Next. You can also add additional units to track and measure this item. You can also edit the variations, modifiers, custom attributes. Just click the Add button, and you can also create a square online, edit the payment links if you wanted pickup and delivery, then add subscription. If you want to create a payment link or buy button, just click on it. After all the changes, if you are satisfied with it, just click Save and that's it. It will be visible to your customer where and when they can buy the ticket. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.